Me, Johnson Chan. So I was thinking about doing this video after I got back from like my local Staples because I'm going to be printing out forms to start a lawsuit. So as a lot of you already know, I've been constantly complaining about the trademark crap, but I've learned to accept it more and more. Additionally, I've continued. I also actually listened to my own last stream or recording, which I think was on Friday. I thought I was doing a okay job removing the uhs and hms, and well, I don't mind the hms. It's just the part, and I didn't do a good job. I actually said it way more than I thought. So I'm going to try to work on that. I still like the word though, because you know I think it makes us smarter, especially since I'm actually thinking, and that's right now the most important thing, right? Because again, creativity solves problems. Focusing on the problem but not really the solution, it just leads you to more problems. A good example would be, yeah, damn it, I just did it again. Huh, that's one. One example of it would be, say, cryptocurrencies, right? I've was trying to see. I almost did it there again too. I was trying to actually figure out ways to make more, stable cash flow, especially since now that, JMC coin, 404 coin, all the old school proof of staking, just doesn't produce that much money anymore. So, I consult with Jesus, I ask him for help, and down the line, eventually I'm like, what's this DeFi stuff I keep hearing about? Wait, you get high interest rates? Wait, that sounds exactly like what I want. And then the rest is history, right? Now we're making some good money. At least I am. So we'll cover that in a bit. But I mean, there's really just not much going on. It looks like today's going to be a down day. It shouldn't be. However, people see. I have to admit, I am having a hard time not doing the yums because I have to consciously tell myself to shut up. So it's actually kind of an interesting experience. But I think it might improve the quality of the videos going forward. So, but yeah, Riot's actually down a bit. Dollar's slightly stronger. Other than that, I don't really see much happening. Um, oh, there we go. That's three ums total. Let's see. Bonds are essentially flat. So there's actually not really much going on today. Stocks rise to records to recover losses and investors shake off. I do want to read this actually. So we'll take a look at that. Of course, the autoplays constantly. Oh, there you go. That's another. I'm just gonna keep calling myself out every time I say that. I don't want you guys to do that though, because then I would actually find that annoying. I'm a very self-responsible person, so just let me handle it. It's worked out really well for all of us so far. Well, that's a so I guess that counts as a half. Yeah, so Bitcoin's 33.5, so wait. Okay, so it's actually kind of just hovering around here. Yeah, I'm thinking that maybe that grayscale unlocking thing is actually maybe weighing on cryptocurrencies, which I think is just BS because it's not really that much in terms of the overall trade volume. So I think it's just, oh hey Mini Wazzy, you're actually here. Yeah, usually you don't make it to these morning weekly streams. But from what I can tell, Binance Coin has recovered very nicely, so that makes my Hotbit Binance Coin liquidity pool very pleased. Hotbit is, what was Hotbit at? 3.974 cents. All right, so yeah, it's not that big of a deal. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, so Bitcoin is actually at 34,000. So actually, what's happening is Coin Market Cap's actually having lag issues. Got the day off today. Well, that's actually nice. I'm sure you could enjoy. Oh, there's another. I'm pretty sure you could enjoy your time off because believe me, you're gonna need it. I wish I had some time off. But I've learned to just accept having to deal with the trademark stuff. So, and on top, I know I'm in a very strong winning position. I finally got to talk to my lawyer today. So, we'll see how things shake out, but I gotta get prepared to file a lawsuit. So chances are tomorrow or Wednesday, gotta go over to the federal court and hand them $402. I can no longer use Binance. Yeah, because for some reason it's called the Financial Commerce Authority or something, right? The FCA. But I always think of Quark and the Ferengis from Star Trek, because they actually have an FCA also, right? The Ferengi Commerce Authority or Association. And you don't want to mess with those people. They're essentially like the IRS, except like they have more actual power. Because like they'll actually come in and tell you what you can and cannot do. It won't let me deposit. Yeah. So you would have to withdraw your money. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. You have DeFi. This is exactly why we have DeFi, right? So you don't have to worry about like, all this crap. Like, well, you're from America, you're from UK, you can't use our stuff. So that's why DeFi is going to be, well, it is the future and it's getting stronger. But it really will destroy, the global tribal banking system, or at least reduce its power significantly. At least in the short to medium term. Long term, we'll have to just see how the globalists react. Oh, and a funny note, I actually did message Ron. Damn, I did it again. There's another I messaged Ron Coleman, and he hasn't gotten back to me yet. But I do see him tweeting, so I don't know. He might be just ignoring me. All right, like a lot of people are just going to be assholes. They want to pretend like they support us. It really makes you think. I'll buy more crypto to play in the DeFi. Dude, you don't have to use Binance. I don't use Binance because it's banned in America. Use this. Wait, what? This is what you use, Miniwaza. Pancake swap. This is the actual DEX, the DeFi exchange. Trade whatever you have, right, from your MetaMask wallet or your Trust wallet, and exchange it for anything else here, right? I'm not logged in, so it's not showing all my custom tokens. Yeah, so that's how you get around it. Remember, what did I just say? Or maybe you missed it just as you came in, right? Creativity solves problems, right? Obviously acknowledge the problem and then maybe like go boo-hoo about it because, that's just how we are, right? But immediately start, just like this is because I got this from Trump, right? Trump's book, right? How to think big and kick ass in business and in life. His 2008 book. You gotta immediately focus on solutions, even if they're bad, right? Just force your thinking and creativity to keep coming up with solutions, because you will come up with one that actually is good. And most people in this world just don't know how to do that. They always focus on the negative, right? Just like Obi-Wan Kenobi told Anakin, right? And Anakin didn't listen. And what happens? He becomes Darth Vader and is a mass murdering, child killing psychopath. It's okay, I'm good now. Yeah. Well, that's good. That's good. All right. So for the most part, it looks like today's just gonna be flat. Pancake. I did that all again, but I made it quicker. Okay. So Shiba Inu is up a little bit. Pancake Swap. Yeah, I thought. Yeah, it's just Coin Market Cap having problems. Yeah, Pancake Swap is like doing really well. So we're making we all are making good money. So I'm very happy with that. Let's take a look. Bitcoin price will see breakout during this week, says trader with a 38K. Okay, I do want to read that. Now that I'm more tolerant of technical analysis. South Korean internet giants bid for the central bank. Oh, wow. Okay, so South Korea coin is coming. Well, Kim Jong-un better, get in on this new trend of creating country coins, because I wouldn't mind holding some North Korean digital coins. Because then I could say, I am now using North Korea currency, or North Korea coin. I think that would be hilarious. A YouTuber is accused of injuring a multi-million-dollar pump and dump. Yeah, well, there's gonna be a lot of those going in the future. Well, there is an there. I can definitely tell that I am reducing the amount though. Bitcoin price will see breakout during. No, Australian online broker self-held offer crypto trading, so that's good. That's more, damn it, I did it again. That's more mainstream adoption. Ukrainian cops seize 3,800 PS4 consoles used for what? Um, damn it, I did it again. I don't understand. Why is this illegal? It's his property, right? Oh, okay. Yeah. See, that wasn't illegal. What was illegal is him stealing electricity from whatever this is. Yeah, so, yeah, he was using it. Yeah. I see what he was doing. He was stealing the electricity, and he probably was using the PS4 as the excuse for why he's consuming so much power. Or maybe he was actually using the PS. Well, actually, the PS4 does have a pretty powerful computing system and graphics card, so maybe he was actually mining something. All right, let's take a look at this. Oh, there we go again. You know, after doing it for decades, it'll probably take me some time to get rid of it. Because when I actually think about the other streamers that I watch, if I actually sit down and think about it, they never do the ums and hms. I mean, not even the hms, but just none of that. So I find that interesting. Okay, I'm just collecting loot here. Okay. Stock market. Okay, so stocks gained on Friday. I don't care. I don't care about a history lesson. What's just happening right now? Okay, more crap about the Delta bullshit. Also, that trend about the Lambda variant just simply disappeared. They're going around priced Delta being as a big risk. Wait, this is interesting. The equity markets have not priced the Delta variant as a big risk, and I think one of the reasons why is if you look at America, blah blah blah, where vaccination rates are much better than other places, which is actually bad. Okay, I could see a scenario where there's a headline or a warning in the media where the Delta virus is really starting to hit hard and causing a sell-off. Yeah, that's probably what they're going to try to do. And then blame it on the unvaccinated, like you and me. Okay, you have a Federal Reserve where you have to wonder if they start to pull liquidity out of the market, what does that mean for the consumer and growth rate? Yeah, why are people still like putting this shit out there? The Fed's never going to pull support. That's just what's going to happen. All right. I'll just call him Michael. Coming down by nervous about grayscale. Yeah, because grayscale is bullshit. Alright? The grayscale unlocking thing is bullshit. Because they're going to be selling literally at the bottom of a correction. And if you're a so-called quote-unquote professional investor, you know you'll never do something like that. Unless you need the money. Bitcoin balances break out with grayscale words. Data from... Wait. Am I reading the article? Oh, okay. I was like... Damn, I really like these pictures that they have. Okay. The largest crypto maintained familiar trade range. Rect Capital. That's funny. His name is Rect. The blue 50-week EMA is still holding a support. If this, whatever that means, holding line, I guess. Okay, he's saying a breakouts within daily. That Bitcoin's gonna make a breakout the upside. I would not be surprised if Bitcoin is going to trade around 38K during the days of this week. That would be fantastic. That's all. That's really all that we would need. I mean, it sucks because I prefer much more, so we could get like 125K Bitcoin by Labor Day, but I look at buy and sell levels of major exchanges, and they're showing resistance from 35 to 30K. I don't even know how you even look at something like that. What the hell? How do I X this out? All coins like are ahead of market decision. I almost did it there. He had previously argued that altcoins would outperform the Bitcoins again in the coming months. That's true. I've been saying that for years. Strong sentiment either during comes to Grayscale Unlucky here, which involves 42,000 Bitcoin over the month of July. Okay, yeah, because the first of it's this week, and then okay. Oh man, if it's over the course of stupid July, does that mean like July is gonna be a shit month too? Because everyone's just gonna be full of fear. That's so effing annoying. You gotta be kidding me. is this really seriously going to freaking stay in the shit range well until the end of this year? Like in like in 3 4 months, it's still gonna be like at 40K. Like what the fuck is this bullshit? Grayscale will lose you the money. I don't know what you mean by that. Oh, well, that's the other thing too. If they sell their Bitcoin, they're gonna be selling it at a premium, and then you can buy Bitcoin at a discount at the same time, I think. So it would actually be really detrimental for them to sell. Hmm. Okay. Well, since I gotta go to Staples, probably buy some food. You know, probably buy some more Burger King. You know, eat like 2 Whoppers or whatever, because you know I'm losing weight. I'm now at the 174.4 to 175 range. So I'm making really good progress. Hopefully, you know, I should start seeing some significant changes if I lose an additional 10 pounds. And then, you know, my belt will be easier to fit on. Because right now I can kind of, before I could not use the second tightest, wait, is it tight? Second loosest setting on my belt, right? I have to use the fattest setting, the loosest one. Now I can actually kind of put on the second setting. It's still really tight and uncomfortable, so I don't use it. But the simple fact that I can even do it now, that's really nice. So that means my stomach actually is getting smaller, even though it doesn't look that way. But losing 10 pounds, essentially, is really good. Like, that's a lot of fat. But I've got plenty more to dump, so. I mean, I guess that's about it. So, you know, it looks like this week could be quiet, which is extremely aggravating. So I'm going to use this as a thumbnail. That is extremely aggravating. But we don't determine the markets, right? We just simply farm off of DeFi, and we just wait for some kind of catalyst. Because again, I'm not really sure why everyone's just like, well, actually, Friday was a really big day, actually. So that probably means today is just going to be like a recovery day, and then so actually this week in crypto should actually be pretty good, barring any more problems. Yeah, actually, I completely forgot. Yeah, Friday was a really good day, so today is actually supposed to be a slight pullback day or a catch your breath day. And so far, that's what I'm seeing, because things aren't really going down that much. It's just kind of flat. And I think cryptocurrencies are kind of reflecting that too. What was the price of Bitcoin, before I go, what was the price of Bitcoin on Friday? Let's hope this thing works. Well, today is Monday, Sunday, Saturday, July. Okay, so the peak of July on Friday was 34,209. So we in fact hit 34.544 multiple times on Saturday and Sunday. 33.2K. These numbers don't look accurate. Okay, well, it's just doing more consolidation. This is okay, so this thing is actually worth 34,000 right now. Okay, this is actually starting to really annoy me. I really don't want to be using CoinGecko, especially since they have completely different numbers. Even this thing's doing the same thing. 1.44 trillion. CoinMarketCap says 1.41 trillion. Alright, what is the actual effing price of Bitcoin? 33,500 essentially. Okay. Okay, maybe I should start using CoinGecko because CoinMarketCap just keeps screwing up for some reason, and it's getting annoying. Alright, so we'll see what happens with this week, but as long as the stock markets and equity markets do pretty well, then cryptocurrency should also do pretty well. I mean, is it going to break out this week like that guy says? I hope so. But we'll have to see, because that stupid grayscale unlocking bullshit is just going to... It really does seem to be weighing in on everything all month, which is extremely annoying. But by then, hopefully those Chinese miners will, you know, we'll definitely be getting more miners up, running up to speed. Oh, I almost did the Bitcoin. What am I looking for? Hash rate. No, what was the site that I always use? I want the one that I like using. Oh, great. I guess I'll have to use this shit. Oh, because I didn't search hash rate. I did difficulty chart. And it should be like the second one. Yes, this one. Beautiful. Okay, the next estimated difficulty is in 5 days, 17 hours, and it's going to drop 10.4%. Perfect. So once the bottom is in for this, then it should start going back up a little bit. Okay. Alright, well, I mean, it is what it is, so maybe we should just keep praying to Jesus so that we can make more money, because that's what I'll be doing. I could use some extra help with that, actually. And then, yeah. Alright, I better go. This video is already 20 minutes long. I didn't even feel like I really went over much, because there's not much to go over. So I better get my food, better, and then get my forms printed. So I will see you all either next week or later today after the markets close. So thanks for watching, and yes, this is a